Hi everyone, welcome back to your Kazakh learning journey. In the previous lesson, we learned how to talk about the present. What is the happening now? Today we are going to learn how to talk about the past, things that already happened. Okay, by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to say a sentence like I went, you read, and he came in Kazakh. In English, we say I worked, I went, I read. In Kazakh, we also change the verb, but we do it using endings. English, I read past. Kazakh, men оқыдым. Let's learn how it works. Men pronoun ending dım. Example, men оқыдым. Sen dindin, sen оқыдың. Ол ды, ол оқыды. Example. Men оқыдым. Let's break it down. Men оқыдым. Sen оқыдың. Ол оқыды. Repeat after me. Men оқыдым. Sen оқыдың. Ол оқыды. Let's use different verbs. Men бардым. I went. Men бардым. I went. Sen келдің. You came. Ол жұмыс істеді. He worked. Біз көрдік. We saw. Біз көрдік. We saw. Олар тыңдады. They listened. Okay, repeat after me. Men бардым. Sen келдің. Ол жұмыс істеді. Yeah? Men бардым. I went. Sen келдің. You came. Ол жұмыс істеді. He worked. Now let's learn how to say did not in Kazakh. Verb plus ending mame plus past ending. Men бармадым. I didn't go. Men бармадым. I didn't go. Sen оқымадың. You didn't read. Sen оқымадың. You didn't read. Ол келмеді. He didn't come. Ол келмеді. He didn't come. Positive. Мен бардым. Мен бардым. Negative. Мен бармадым. Мен бармадым. Мен бармадым. Мен бармадым. Сен оқымадың. Сен оқымадың. Ол келмеді. Ол келмеді. So, you turn, try before I show the answers. I went. I went. Men бардым. Men бардым. I went. You didn't read. You didn't read. Sen оқымадың. Sen оқымадың. He came. He came. Ол келді. He came. Ол келді. Okay. Choose the correct answer. How do you say you went? Yeah, choose the correct answer. Sen бардым. Sen бардың. Sen барасың. So, great job. You can talk about the past in Kazakh. Write 3 sentences. One positive past, one negative past, one using he, she. Post them in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next lesson. Hoş болыңыз. Bye bye.